Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty dog, had a texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see, and they have recently just released a new mini update, which is associated, kind of related with car customization. So, as you guys know, in the past they released some updates where you can update your rims, change your rims, lower your ride height, which were both amazing updates. And now they added a bit more to that. You can now change your tire type. So if we actually check out customize here, if you buy that one customization game pass, it'll give you ride height, wheels, custom wheels, and custom tires. So as you guys see, this thing is the Ferrari here is lowered and custom rims, pretty nice. And we can now change our tires here on the right, as you guys see. So there's stock, grip, and drift. Obviously there's no it doesn't change the look of the tire or anything, but it does affect the performance here, kind of. So stock is obviously normal. We'll actually head out to the road to test this out real quick. So if stock here, we'll test out the launches. So here's stock launch with without traction control. Let's actually do this test with traction control off. So here we go. Here is stock tires with traction control off. As you guys see, it spins pretty decently there. If we do grip here with traction control off with launch, does spin but does not spin nearly as much. And tires obviously have a lot more grip. So for instance, let's put on our stock tires without traction control here. This thing spins out. This thing actually spins a lot, and that's with traction control, without traction control off. And it still tends to spin out a lot. And if we put grippy tires here, it doesn't spin out as much. It's just much more grippy. A lot grippier. Pretty good actually, as you guys see. It spins but not nearly as much as stock tires. Let's head right here. Let's actually do the test one more time. So here it is, stock launch. The launch with stock tires, traction control off. This thing spins a whole lot, as you guys see. With grip here, it does not spin nearly as much, as you guys can see, which is really good for races. You don't want to be spinning too much, you know. You want to have traction to gain speed and all that. But drift, let's check out drift. Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go. So here's drift. Let's launch it with drift here. As you guys see, it just spins a lot. Obviously it's drift tires. You can drift pretty well with these. As you guys see, we're not getting any traction at all. Alright, here we go. Let's try to launch drift tires with traction control on. And we still spin a little bit. That's with traction control. We don't even have traction control off, and this thing still spins a whole lot. Pretty crazy, as you guys see. Love the update. We'll test it on an all-wheel drive car here. So let's get the Tesla Roadster out. And if we head over here, here we go. We'll have traction control off. So if we launch the Tesla Roadster here, it doesn't really spin that much. Does not spin that much with traction control off. Doesn't really spin when you launch a Tesla. Here we go. As you guys see, it doesn't spin that much, but if we put drift tires, it'll spin quite a bit, even with the all-wheel drive car here. As you guys see, it spins a little bit more. The all-wheel drive car. Let's change the time here for the best lighting. There we go. But yeah, so tires seem to work pretty good. for sure works pretty good. Drift tires are pretty nice. Drift tires come in handy quite a bit, especially when you want to drift pretty good. You could drift pretty well with these, not gonna lie. Pretty fun driving with drift tires. It's obviously a little bit hard to control at times sometimes, but still really fun to drive with. You could drift around pretty well. Really fun. Really fun. As you guys see, Ferrari here drifting really good. Pretty fun to drift this thing. A lot of fun drifting with the drift tires here. You could drift some cars, like I know the Agera, Koenigsegg Agera here. If we take this thing out, and this thing normally will not drift. So we have our stock tires right here and traction control off. If you try drifting, this thing does not drift that good. It drifts pretty decently, but it's pretty hard to drift with. I don't think this thing could drift with traction control off, can it? Yeah, can't really drift with traction control off. But if we put on our drift tires here and try to drift with traction control on, it does a bit better. Agera here does a whole lot better drifting with these drift tires on. You could drift this thing a lot better. It's a lot easier to drift with these drift tires, obviously. But yeah, I just wanted to cover that mini update that they released. Wanted to show you guys there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the new update. Make sure to leave some video ideas, some videos you guys want to see. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a